What's up guys, how you all doing? Today I'm gonna show you something really cool. I'm gonna test smoke grenades. So as you can see, I have 3 different colors of smoke grenades: white, purple and green. And here's the company who makes these smoke grenades, 18 plus, so kids do not try this at home. I'd ask for adult supervision. So they are airsoft grade smoke grenades. Let's check this out, what they're gonna look like and how long they're gonna burn for. So I just have a cap on, and then it's a pull string smoke grenade. I'm gonna pull it down like this, not up because it won't work. I gotta pull it down. Alright, I'm gonna set them all at the same time, and so we have like different colors at the same time. Check this out. This is insane. Purple, green and white. This is a fast smoke grenade. Oh, wow, this is insane. Right now it's not windy at all, but look how much smoke it produced. This is awesome. So this is a quick 30-second smoke grenades, but it produces a lot of smokes in 30 seconds. As soon as you drop it, it produces a ton of smoke right away, as you can see. Pretty awesome, huh? So as you can see, if you need a ton of smoke right away, cover yourself. If smoke comes out from both ends, this way it smokes really fast, but a lot of smoke right away. So I think it's pretty cool. What do you guys think? Thumbs up if you like this video, and also if you want to see more smoke grenades, please let me know in comments below. I'm gonna test out more of them if you like this kind of videos. Alright, see you next time. And then just break it in half like that. You're done. Now what we wanna do is break it in quarters. There is 2